Welcome to the MechanicDesk help videos. In this video, we will be looking at the Workstation setup. The Workstation feature is a centralized login on a single computer where all employees will be able to quickly and easily clock on and off their jobs. This feature will be best suited to larger workshops with a high number of mechanics. Workstation also enables a setup that allows employees to only log in and do their work when they're in the workshop. By giving them the password and not a username, they will only be able to log in from a workstation, but not anywhere else. First, let's go to the login page for MechanicDesk. Note the link in the bottom right-hand corner to log into Workstation. Click this link to open another login screen to log into the Workstation account. Enter your details, then click Login. This will bring you to a brand new page with a list of employees. From here, the employee can click on their name to reveal a new login pop-up. Entering their password will bring up another new window with a list of open jobs. From here, the user can clock into jobs and also go to the default dashboard view. There is also an expandable menu on each job here. You are able to print, put the job on hold, SMS or email the customer, add tags, and view the full job details. For now, let's clock on to this job. Once clicked, the user is logged out of their session and the page is ready for the next person to log in. Once an employee is ready to clock off their job, it's as simple as clicking their name and entering their password and then clicking Clock Off. They will also be prompted for a comment for that time log. That concludes our video on the Workstation. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our support team.